Dun, dun, dun. One in the habitat. One in the habitat.
Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we have the Matric brake adapter sent in by Matt from Matric. These bolt-on brake adapters work with your MX350, Pocket Mod, SportMod, and a few other vehicles. So here we have my old brake caliper set up. We're going to take this axle off, that way we can remove that brake adapter, and then we can go ahead and toss on the brand new Matric one. So let's get these nuts off and get that bad boy onto this. Alrighty, so first things first, get the axle off, and then we could test fit this adapter, make sure it slips over the axle, and when you're removing this, make sure you get the chain off, if not the wheel's gonna hang up. So pop that off, and on this adapter that we used previously has a little metal tie that goes around there, so we definitely got to get that off so we can remove it, and then we can mock up putting the spacers and the Matric adapter on the wheel. So when reinstalling, make sure you do put the chain back on the wheel, because if not, then you will have to take everything off. Right now we're going to go ahead and put the axle back into its spot, and we're going to tighten this up, but not too tight, because you want to move that adapter around to get the perfect fitment and to make sure everything lines up. So now we're going to attach the caliper. When attaching the caliper, make sure you use all the provided spacers and washers. That way you can have the full adjustability to put it over the rotor and it won't drag. So once that's all attached, we're good to go there. And now we're going to insert the little small 8mm nut on the swing arm itself that tightens up to hold the bracket in place for moving up and down. Very simple. And now it's all tightened up, ready to go. So if you have any exterior pieces or trim that need to be put back on the bike, this will be the time to do it. Also, always make sure you tightened up everything well, and that's pretty much it. Very simple when converting from the mountain bike adapter to the Matric adapter. Is just plug and play. This worked out perfectly. The bike looks great. It stops phenomenally with this. This is a 160mm rotor, so you don't have to upgrade to 180mm if you don't need to. And the bike now not only hauls ass, but stops on a dime. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of my Razor projects, including the 72V SportMod. And with that, I'll catch you guys on the next one.